Hello everyone. Today on Simply Mercy Be, we're making a Fritos corn salad. This is a delightful and refreshing dish. The perfect balance of the sweet and savory notes will leave you craving for more. Here are your ingredients, and as always, the measurements are in the description down below.
Got my head over water for the first time in.
Okay guys, prepping the vegetables is the most time-consuming part of this dish. And we're going to start with our peppers. You can choose red, orange, yellow, or green. I tend to lean more toward the sweeter peppers because I find the green ones to be a little bit too bold for this little delicate dish. So we're going to go ahead and get those all diced up along with one red onion. Actually, we're only going to use half of each pepper and half of our red onion. We're going to go ahead and finish getting those vegetables all prepped up, and I'll be back.
Singing my own songs and making ends meet. But good enough ain't good nor enough. When going for gold and things can get rough. What lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out.
Now I am just grating up about 1 pound of cheese to finalize the prep process. Yes, you can use prepackaged cheese, but I like the rich flavor of fresh grated cheese. To put this delicious salad together, we're going to start by making the dressing, which consists of mayonnaise. Place that in a large mixing bowl, followed by chili powder, and get those two mixed well. All we do now is add all the remaining ingredients, starting with the canned corn, followed by your chopped green chilies. Now I only use about 2 heaping teaspoons. However, if you like the heat, use the whole 4-ounce can. Then we're going to go ahead and add our chopped vegetables and get that all mixed into the dressing. Now we're going to go ahead and add our freshly grated cheese, and we're going to mix until everything is combined.
That's what
Okay guys, at this point, you can choose to go ahead and add your Fritos corn chips to the mix and get them all folded in. But you would have to serve immediately because your chips can get soggy from all the moisture. However, on the other hand, I prefer to serve it as a dip using the Fritos scoops. And when I tell you, the combination of textures and flavors in this Frito corn salad creates the perfect balance of savory and sweet notes that will leave you craving for more. Oh my goodness. Listen friends, give this salad a try. You will not be disappointed. Also, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and you're always welcome to come visit. Just don't forget to like and share. I will see you on the next one. Later.